viewers, 12:45 tayo sa GMA News TV. We have a former Tigress here, and it's Denise Tan.
Yes, you know, when I talked to USC head coach Norvi Labuga, he told me that even though they are the overall Visayan champions, he is not surprised that they are still winless here in the Shakey's League. Sabi ni coach, napakarami di umanong factors kung bakit hindi pa rin malabas ng Lady Warriors ng todo ang kanilang laro. Nandyan daw ang court, temperature at crowd, just to name a few. With this being their last game, of course, Coach Labuga said that they will do all that they could in this match to prove that they have the skills, the heart, and that they've got what it takes to be here to battle the best of the best, guys.
Why not? Either you go with the flourish or stay on, because this is a survival battle and only one will be eliminated, Mosi.
Pero alam mo, Seb, yung winless record nila, we see a lot of potential, di ba?
Yes,
alam naman natin na nakikita natin yung mga ang lalakas ng palo, ang gandang pagkakaset up ng setter. It's just that maybe yun nga, yung level of competition lang dito sa Manila where you have the best of the best. And in this tournament sa Shakey's V-League, of course, we also have the best of the best.
Yes,
so,
indeed.
yun yung medyo mahirap doon. But we could really see that this is one great team, one really good team.
Not exactly an easy group, although some say that Group A is a little tougher, but you have NU playing so well, Adamson also getting better with every game. In the meantime, this is tracked down. We have the setup job, the reverse. Tobino knocks it down.
Tobino getting the space, so that running hit. May pagka-miss hit pa nga rin. Pero,
medyo konti,
nakakuha pa rin ng puntos.
And actually, it's our official outfit here in the Shakey's V-League. Yan mo, si, pag maganda ang set, yung miss hit, kahit pa paano natutulungan ng magandang set.
Oo. But of course, yung miss hit nga, nasa player pa rin yun kasi it's really on your approach, yung timing.
True. Tama. In the meantime, Tobino trying to reach for it, unable to secure it, and the error going against Perpetual.
It's more of, Seb, yung question mo a while ago, it's more of, mahiya ka naman kung maganda yung set.
Oo
alam
naman.
na alam mo yan.
Oo naman, di ba? Mahiya.
Nag-agree si Denise, di ba?
Oo,
Pag maganda set, mahiya ka naman, tuloy mong mabuti.
Nakita natin maglaro si Denise, both as a spiker and as a setter.
Oh, reluctant setter yan
Nagbago ang buhay niya nung nag-setter yan
Tobino now 2 attack points, Spanish having 3. Pero itong si Tobino, 2 out of 2 na.
When I say nagbago, naintindihan na niya na ang hirap din pala mag-set, Denise.
Definitely.
Out! And Condada eyeing that nicely and says, I'm not gonna go for that one. It's 12-7. And the setter of Perpetual is on the line.
Oh,
long hello!
Oh, no! Nobody there!
Si Shon Jesulga, sabi niya, parang boxing yan. Always protect yourself. Tumalikod siya.
Mistake.
7:13. Time to listen to a Cebuano timeout.
Mag-service yung kauban, yung kauban yung tanawan yung mag-service, yung tanawan yung sa iplakan. Ano yun, ay hatag yung sumula, hindi ka pakla ko kung yung iplakan.
Well, Shon Jesulga here, the mouthful. After that miscue, Baste against Lasal Dasma. Perpetual and Adamson get entangled in the Sunday games. Cortez got to it. Obinke, Condada, and Casas were grappling, but we have a middle hit by Diaz that is out.
Diaz once again. Miss hit in the middle, pero okay pa rin.
Okay pa rin pala. Naka-score siya. 14-7 tayo. Casas, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Argarin to serve. Sampal na sampal. Na-push by Cortez. Dati hindi pumupush yung Cebu na yan.
Yan ang maganda. Natututunan nila yung different ways to score a point.
Tuminding na sila. And then, the competition brings out what else you can do. In the meantime, Relota seeing action for the first time for USC. This is Pearl Relota.
So far, USC, no reception point so far. Perpetual having 4.
And the serve of Agarin is into the net. Pwede tayo magtayo ng Russian team dito. Agarin, Gorayev. Di ba? Pwede. Yung Gorayev, sigurado ako may Russian.
Nasa itsura naman yun. Pagkatisoy na matapang.
Tapos tayo ron. Tubino. That is double blocked. Well done by Tubino and something. And we hit 16, which means the second technical timeout level has been attained. Back in a moment.